Welcome back to the Hogers.
The mini farm.
This is Angus, and that is Shakira. This is a Frizzle, and she is a Silky. And we're fixing the pen for them. And I'm gonna get more, lots more. And these will go to their forever home with the big girls in about a month.
And 82 bags of concrete down here.
Ain't he pretty? Look at him. He's a Frizzle. He's a Frizzle. He's so cute. He's so cute. Yes, you are. That's a Silky. That's a girl. This is a boy. That's why he's Angus. I mean Angus. Okay.
I'll get the camera here and show you guys what all she's talking about. She's trying to fix. It's a mess.
Hey, baby.
A lot of washout. The water's just caused a havoc. I'll get you and let you take a look at it. Hang on.
Where's Mama? Where's my Mama? Where's my Mama? Here, y'all got to stay quiet.
Alright, well, she's playing with her freaking furry, conniving chickens. This glare, man, I really need a better camera. I don't know if y'all can see that all that great. See the washout? She had to build her a bridge here. It's bad. It's real bad. So we're gonna pour concrete all down in this area. So at least it'll run down. We'll go in this ditch that we kind of made here to go off in the back. We live on a hill. I mean a hill. This is a hill and a half. So when we get them torrential downpours, I mean it comes down like a river, don't it, Lisa?
Yes.
I mean it comes down really bad, and that's what dug all this out. So but we're gonna try to work on fixing that today, because I think it's going to rain tomorrow. Let's get busy. Live.
Oh yeah, you're trying to take my job away. That's why there's a bridge.
It got twisted on that stuff. Have I got my drill?
Yes.
Driving me drinking.
Oh. Why not put it on the bottom? There's not.
Oh. You got a hammer?
Yes. A chicken hammer.
It grew a little bit. You got the right one in the right place.
Yes, why you measured down there.
It's a little long.
You measured down there. I like it.
I didn't measure down here. I measured on top of it. That's what I did. So.
Alright, let me see about this one. You got your glasses on?
I got them on, but apparently they're off.
Let's have a talk with David.
Yep.
Yeah, this one's way off. Yeah.
saddle wound.
Huh?
See that? What?
Are we going to measure the pieces?
No.
So I have to cut it inside there?
You'll have to cut it each way. Oh no, you're not putting it inside.
That's where you see it.
No, you're putting it outside. Now, is it easier for you to go in and I get out and we just keep going back and just fish it in there?
I think I got it.
All right, we've got done what we're gonna do today. I say we. Yeah, always sitting down. So let me show you what we did. It ain't pretty now, I'm telling you. But there ain't nothing in her coop that's pretty, I promise you.
My chickens
So-
are beautiful.
Your chickens are what?
Beautiful. And Tom.
And, you know, Tom's no good. All right, here, take a look at this.
You ought to show
If
Tom.
the sun, I know it's not helping out very well at all. I don't have the greatest camera in the world, I swear. This is terrible. Can't see it. But anyway, that's all concrete that washed away. This corner was completely washed out from all that water coming straight down there, coming down here. So now we've kind of put the concrete in here. And so it goes under this little poopy-fied redneck bridge she made, and then goes on down there to that ditch that we dug a long time ago. So I know the sun glare is bad, and I'm sorry. Fellas got to get some new camera, a better camera. I do. That's it for today. We ain't doing no more, are we?
Nope.
Hallelujah. See you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. I can't talk. We finished this morning. I forgot to record it. I don't think y'all wanted to watch all of that anyway. It was boring just hanging this wire and doing the bottom, and then we mixed more concrete and get around here. I'll show you. We'll take a look on the inside. Probably look a lot better than what you're seeing right now. But we did all this wire. She's got baby chicks and she's trying to keep them safe. And right beside the bridge. Yesterday I tried to show you this, but it didn't turn out good because of the glare. And unless somebody starts donating money that I can get another camera, I ain't gonna be able to get one because I'm on a budget. So it won't work. And you gotta be on a budget when you got a wife like this one has all this, all that. 80 million chickens. And I'll show you what we did on the inside. What we did on the inside. Now you can see how bad it got washed out. It was terrible. There's some in here with Tom the turkey's in here. There he is right there. And his mean self. But there's a hole right there, so we had to put concrete in there where it was washing out. It was just washing out so bad that, well, I showed you, I think I showed you before did we show them before we put the concrete down, I think we did, I'm not sure. But yeah, we went all the way down the whole side here. All the way down that side over there. And there's her chicks. And what kind of chicks are these, Lisa?
These are buffs. Those are lavenders. This is Shakira. She is a silky. Yes, she is. That's what
Look at all these chickens. And these ain't, this is nothing, guys. I mean, the other coop I just showed you, like I said, 80 million in there. And then she's got more inside, baby chicks. That she's, what's Tom doing?
Tom is spry.
Oh, there he is right there. Look at him.
Springtime.
Yeah.
He's like in Henrietta right now.
Yeah, look at him. He's ready to come on out here. No, you stay out. You just sit. We're friends as long as you stay in there. You got to fix this clip.
He's 9 years old.
9 years old.
And she's 8.
So he was what you would call a full-grown turkey.
Oh yeah.
Ready for Thanksgiving, right?
No.
One day, that darn turkey's gonna wind up in the pot. Okay. Oh, that hurts. Okay. Well, you saw all these. Gotta get her a new sign. Sign's all messed up. But anywho's, so the water would come down. Let me show you. We had to do some really rigged up, jacked up looking stuff because we don't know what else to do. So we put some sandbags here, and she put some decorative brick just to kind of, you know, make it look more better air, more gooderish. I don't know, more better, I think. So the water would come down here, just like this. Wash across here. You see how it's washed the roots up. Come down there. I mean, look, wash that root up. Come down, and it would fly down here. And then it dug its way up under here. You see it washed out some right there. We might wind up putting some concrete in there, but we really want to see what's going to happen with what we fixed so far. Because we think once this water come rushing down here, it got inside there, rushed out that, or washed out that, all of that, and then that's what caused all this massive erosion or whatever. So, and it was bad. And see, we're going to straighten the ditch up a little bit. I may even have to in the future get some riprap and put down there, because it is going to continuously just to keep you know, washing away. So, but I think that's going to do it for this trip, or for this visit. I don't know what's next on the work list. I'm sure
The pond.
Oh, pond from hell. Yeah. All right. Well, guys, appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one.